My beautiful friends, you know how you do it. Let's get started. Tap on that. That's going to get us ready for the word of the day. And the word in question is public. Follow me closely. P is tap, long press, release, tap. And the next is tap, tap, long press, release. And the next is long press, release, tap, tap, tap. And the next is tap, long press, release, tap, tap. The next is tap, tap. And finally, C is long press release tap, long press release tap. This is your public. Ladies and gentlemen, take your prize. Don't forget, in less than an hour from now, we're going to be decoding the key puzzle game. Make sure you're subscribed and please do turn on the notification bell. Let's go.